Hello, awesome resellers. So today I just wanted to talk about how to still keep afloat during this really chaotic time with the coronavirus. I know if you're following me on Instagram, you still see that I'm making a lot of sales, and I just wanted to give you some tips just to survive because we still need to pay our bills, stay home, stay safe, wash our hands, but we still need to make sales, right, to pay our bills. So what I've been doing is basically when I have 5 or more likes, I will offer like a really big discount. Normally, I would just not send as many discounts, but because we're, probably going into a recession maybe, it's important to not be too picky with offers and discounts and things like that. So what I do is I'll offer free shipping plus 10%, and not still losing profit because of the fact that, we can't just give things away for free. So what I do is, like, say I bought a dress for $9.99, I'll price the dress like say $60-$70, and then I might, when I get like 5 or more likes after I've shared my closet multiple times, then I'll give free shipping plus 10%. And that tends to happen when I have 5 or more likes, that there'll be a sale. And then also another thing I do is, so one is offer discount to all likers. Every like, I'm talking, and you guys know my closet's like 2,000 items. Every time somebody likes an item, I offer right away free shipping plus 10%. Another thing that I do that I highly recommend right now, since we have a lot more time available, is to make sure that you list all your items on all the platforms. So if you're typically fashion like me and a lot of my followers, Poshmark, eBay, Tradesy, Macari, even if you want to do Depop, Let Go, those kind of platforms, but mostly Poshmark, eBay, Tradesy, and Macari. So make sure that you're on all the platforms. So if you have like 100 items on Poshmark, I would really suggest that you put all those 100 items on eBay, and then in the order, probably it would be eBay, Poshmark, Macari, and like Tradesy, and make sure that they're on multiple platforms. And then also, what I would also suggest is that, like, what you see for me doing on Instagram is whenever I sell an item, I'll say, okay, this item sold, posted on my Instagram. And if I have multiple sizes available of that item, I'll say, I have this blouse. I also sold it on Poshmark, but I have size medium and large left. If you want to DM me, then I could give you a discount. So you're going to let all the people on your followers of Instagram will know that this is what sold and this is what I have available. And if you want, you could buy that item. So you're like essentially advertising for free on your Instagram account. So that's my third tip. And then fourth tip is share your closet, share to all the parties, the 9 to 10, 7 p.m., especially the 7 p.m. party. Make sure that you're sharing all your items. And that's something that you always have to do if you're a posher. If you're on eBay, make sure that you're optimizing your listings. That means like you're fixing the titles, you're adding more descriptions, that all of the information is full for the titles, that all of the little descriptions of like size, material, all of that is filled out, and that all listings are optimized as well on Poshmark, as well as Macari, as well as on Tradesy. And also make sure that you share your items, like whether it be on Pinterest or Facebook or whatever site, social media platform that you have a big following on. Like mine is particularly Instagram. Then you share those items, but not only share those items, make sure that you mention what is available, what sizes, and also how much you're willing to sell it for. Because sometimes maybe somebody sees an item, oh, that's a nice item, it sold, but they don't know that you're willing to let it go for like $35 and it's new with tag. So make sure that you also write, hey, I have size medium and large available, and I have this on sale for only $30. If you DM me through PayPal, I could send it to you and, throw in free shipping, things like that. So just make sure that you're doing things outside of the box to advertise your products and just to share your items. You're optimizing your listings, and you're also relisting items that are old. So like if you have items, say, like I'm a fast fashion seller, there's older items that have not sold, but they might be in fashion right now, that like now that spring is coming up and people want like dresses and stuff. So my older items that are dresses, I could just relist them and it looks like it's a brand new item, and that you just say sold out everywhere, because it is sold out because it's an older item and nobody has it, right? So you just want to make sure that you relist old items to bring them out, and just keep going. I've been selling like, anywhere from 250 to 300 still daily. It's a bit less than what I normally sell, but things are still moving. So I just wanted to give you this advice, and just make sure to also interact with your customers right away. Like if someone says, hey, what is the measurement for that? Like, don't be lazy and not answer. Always answer right away. And then also comment on their main post, like, hey, I'm having a sale. If you like this, I'll give you a discount. So just make sure that you're interacting with these customers really fast, like, because there's so many other sellers that are selling, and they have this new part on a Poshmark where you could, find things out by sizes and the colors and stuff like that. So there's more competition. So you want to make sure you have really good pricing, and that you also check the solds for your items. And also if you have some dresses or tops or whatever, you could look at similar items in your Poshmark store as well as your competitors, and try to be a little bit competitive with the price. But don't lose money. Like, don't sell it like you're giving for free, obviously. But, you want margins, but not it. Maybe this time around, instead of having 2 times ROI, 3 times ROI, maybe you want to have like $5 above cost or $20 above cost instead of 3 times ROI. So just don't be greedy. Take those offers, optimize your listings, advertise, do all those things, and pray and hope. And if you don't have faith, I will give you my faith. I just really want to encourage you during this tough times. I'm on Facebook. I have a bunch of styles Christian reseller group. Link is in the bio. I'm on Instagram, and I share all day long in my Instagram stories. And I'm just here to help you in any way. I'm a reseller. I studied to be a therapist, and I just want to help everybody. Thank you so much for watching. Have a good day. Bye. Wash your hands.